Hello to all friends. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I want to show you and also tell you how you can make your iPhone turn off at certain times of the day. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Write your comments under the video and also put your likes. So, let's get started. And first of all, open up an app called Shortcuts on your iPhone. And then you'll need to go to the automation section at the bottom. New automation. And then select the time of day or time of day option. After that, friends, please customize the time for that click right here. Here you will be able to customize the time to whatever is convenient for you. Once you've done that, you can choose how often your iPhone will turn off. For example, daily, weekly, or monthly. Also choose what you want. Then click Next. Now click on the gray box that says New Automation. Next, add action. And in the search box type Shutdown. Select Shutdown. Now in the top right corner, also click Ready. And now, as you can see, the new automation is ready. And the phone will be, let's say, weekly or daily. Here you can also further customize. If something changes for you, you can change the settings. But for now, daily the phone will turn off at 12 a.m. If at some point you want to, for example, remove this automation, then you'll need to swipe from the right side to the left side and hit Delete. Friends, this is how you can make your iPhone turn off at certain times of the day. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.